Hello, in this short video, I'll show how you can add your Canva websites to your Shopify store. There are many advantages to use Canva website in place of a landing page builder. Canva websites are easy to customize with a very popular user-friendly editor. Also, there are a variety of free and paid templates available. You'll need two things. 1, a Canva account. 2, a Shopify store with our app installed. When you install the Canva Add Pages app, this will be the landing page. To add a new page, click on the Add New Page button. Here the app will ask you for a couple of things. First, it'll ask you for the name of the page. You can pick any name of your choice. Second, you need to enter the link for your Canva website. For this, I'll navigate to Canva. I'll pick a website template and will modify it as needed. Once I'm done with the changes, I'll click on Publish Website on the top right. Once I click on Publish, this will give me the Canva website URL. I'll copy this link, and this is the link I'll use in the second field. Other than this, I've two options. One is to hide the Shopify header and Shopify footer. For now, I'll keep both these options unchecked. I'll click on Add Pages and will wait for a couple of seconds for the page to be imported. It usually takes around 60 seconds for the page to be imported. Once the import is done, I'll be navigated to this page. Here I see the status as imported, which suggests that the import is complete. To view this page, I'll click on Preview, and this now shows the page that is imported to my Shopify store. You can use the page directly, or if you want to add this page as a landing page for your store, please navigate to the theme editor. Go to your online store and under the theme section, click on Customize. This will launch your theme editor. To add the newly imported page as your home page or any other page, click on Add section. Under this menu, towards the bottom, you'll find the Page option. Under the page, on the right-hand side, you'll see your available pages. This is the home page that I added. I'll select this, and you'll see that the newly created page is now shown on my Shopify homepage. If I want, I can keep the remaining section as is. Or in my case, I'll use the eye icon to hide the other sections on this page. Once I click on Save, my imported page is now my Shopify landing page. Once I view this page, you'll see the changes are now reflected. This completes our first tutorial on adding your Canva website to your Shopify store. For any queries, please reach out to our support team.